Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting context, who sent it and why, and whether the ask is unusual. Once you hover, make sure to read the full revealed URL, look for misspellings, extra domains, or odd ports. Next, copy the link text without clicking and move to a separate, secure device or an isolated browser profile. This reduces risk while you probe. When done, you'll be ready for deeper analysis. Don't open the link on your main account or work machine yet. Now you perform a deeper analysis. Parse the domain, subdomain, path, and any file extension to spot impersonation tricks like numeric IPs or extra dashes. Then query WHOIS and DNS records to confirm registration date, registrar, and hosting country. Young or mismatched info can be a red flag. After that, paste the copied URL into reputable URL scanners and sandbox tools to view snapshots and behavior reports. Make sure to correlate multiple results to avoid false positives. Finally, if you need to execute the link, do so only inside a disposable VM, sandbox, or an isolated browser with no saved credentials. Observe network and file activity. If the link proves malicious, immediately report to your security team, block the domain at endpoints, and change any potentially exposed passwords. If you get conflicting scan results, clear caches, rerun scans, and check system and proxy logs. When in doubt, escalate to IT. These final steps close the loop and protect others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.